Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain about headless 360. So already we have discussed about Salesforce headless 360 and we have connected with Cloud as well as ChatGPT. Today I'm going to show a demo for how to connect Salesforce MCP server with a cursor. So this I have already done. So now only I got a chance to post this. So I'm in a Salesforce article. So here we have a detailed list of information what we need to done in cursor. So basically, we need to create a external client app manager from where we will get the consumer key. So based on the consumer key, here we will have a JSON file, so which is used to connect with my Salesforce org. So for that, I need that consumer key. So I have the cursor. So under that, we need to go to settings. So under settings, you can scroll down and find tools and MCPs. And here I have connected. So here, if you're not connected, you will have new MCP server, and you can click and you can provide the structure. So you can just copy paste the JSON structure and you can provide the client key. So consumer key which you got from the external client app. So once after creating and saving this file, so it will be automatically enabled and you will have the MCP servers available here. So as we already mentioned, so once we connect with a particular MCP server in Salesforce, so the actions which are listed down in that MCP server will be shown here. So for this, I have used subject all. So those actions has been listed down here. So subject all. So those actions which has been present will be listed down here. So create, update, delete related record, delete related record. So that's how we can connect Salesforce with our cursor. So we have the server URL format. So we have the server URL format. So if it is a production org, we need to use this URL. If it is a sandbox, we have this URL format. Under the server name, since I'm using this object, all the server name is subject underscore all. So this is the server URL and the example configurations they have provided. So for this, as I already mentioned, so we need to create an external client tab. So in the external client tab, we need to provide our policies. Under that, we have to provide callback URL. So the callback URL you can figure out from the documentation. So under setup, or if you go to create an external client tab, so for each AI tool we have the callback URL. For cursor, this is the callback URL. So you can get this callback URL and you can, during the external client tab creation, you can include this callback URL. So once after setup, so as we do, let me go to go back. Just I'll try to fetch few informations. So this is just for a demo and try to fetch all the accounts. You can try it out in different way. So it was running the SQL query to fetch the accounts that are associated with the org. Yeah, now we got the list of accounts. So it's a pretty simple and easier way to connect a cursor with Salesforce MCP. So here we have a detailed instructions. I'll add the article link. And apart from that, I like to explain another thing. So I have added my previous videos in my channel. So I will share the link of my channel as well. So if you want to go through any of those videos, you can click on the link and you will be visited to this channel where I have added the Cloud and ChatGPT. I have done the connection. So that's it for today. Thank you.